No, I'm not doing this. Straighten up. Morning.
Hi.
It's a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
It's hot already.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a warm back road today.
Yes, it is. We've had our coffee. It was delicious, and then we had a cookie and a handful of apple cinnamon Cheerios for breakfast.
Yeah, we didn't plan out breakfast last night, so we woke up this morning and didn't have any.
We never plan out breakfast. Breakfast is one of the hardest things to plan out. We had oatmeal, but then we would have had to go into the bag and get everything out, and then it's just a lot of work. So
Yeah.
we just had our snack for today, and then we walked and got another snack.
When we're not camping, I don't open my bag, so all the camping gear, like the stove and everything, stuffed in there, and I just take it off the bike and put it in the room. If we have to cook breakfast, I then have to open my bag up in the room, dig through it, get everything out, and it's a pain when you're not camping because it's all stuffed everywhere, and I have
Stuffed everywhere.
to pull everything out just to get one thing out. So I didn't want to cook this morning. So here we are, eating a handful of cereal and some cookies for breakfast.
Yeah.
And then, oh, that sun is some kind of hot already.
Yeah.
I start getting packed up. There's no shade right here at all.
Nope. Get a little bit of extra tan.
Yeah.
Holding the bikes.
So we'll start packing up. We'll leave. We're gonna leave here around 10:30 and start heading towards the old mission.
Yeah, we drove past. We have to backtrack a little bit today. We drove past the road yesterday, and it looks pretty interesting.
Yeah, it's 20 kilometers. I think we had to backtrack, or 24 kilometers, and then we take off, and it's dirt road all the way.
There's a lot of kilometers in dirt road.
40 kilometers just to the mission, I believe, dirt road. And we just keep going straight as long as the road's in decent-ish shape.
We were talking to the owner yesterday of this place, and he said he doesn't like old things.
Yeah, we told him we were going to the mission, and he said, "Oh, I've been there once. I don't like old stuff." It's just a really old church, basically.
It's more the dirt road that we're going for. It
Yeah.
just happens to be on the way because we like old things, but we've seen a lot of churches in our time.
So many.
Temples. So
many.
it takes a lot for it to be spectacular,
Yeah.
I think. Just because when we backpacked in Southeast Asia, it was temple after temple after temple. So it got to the point where Brett would go into one and then I would go into the next one, and
Yeah, it has to be a pretty fantastic place for me to want to go in, especially if it costs money.
Yeah.
I'm not paying to come into your church unless it is amazing.
Yeah.
And I think there's only one that I can remember that I was like, "Oh, this is amazing." So,
Yeah.
But yeah, that's our plan. The Mission de San Francisco, I believe it is. It's old. It was built in the 1700s. That'll be our plan. Mainly just the dirt road. I'm excited for the dirt road.
yeah. And we've had a couple days of highway, so it's time to get back onto the dirt.
Yeah, we'll try it out and see. Hopefully it's not too sandy and bad, but
Yeah, because the owner here yesterday said, "Oh, that's quite the road."
yeah, it's very rough.
So we'll
But
see.
rough is okay. It's the sand that becomes the issue. But we'll lower our tire pressure and we'll just send it.
Mm-hmm.
I said twice already, it's hot here. But as we head west, it'll start getting cooler as we get towards the Pacific Ocean. And then that's where we are staying tonight, is right on the Pacific. So
Yeah, we found a really good Airbnb, so we'll show you that when we get there, and then
Get off my
we'll see what we're up to when we get there.
yeah,
But until then, we've got lots to do before we head out of here.
pack the bikes up.
It's a lot. We set the alarm to watch the sunrise and then got to watch the sun coming over the mountains.
Yeah, we got to see the actual, when it popped up over top.
Yeah, which is the main part that you want to see anyway. Up until then, it's nothing exciting because there's no colors or anything yet. I like the colors. And then it was instantly hot.
Yeah, as soon as the sun came over the top.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
Now it's time to get out of this town. I did like this town, though. It's a very, very quiet town.
Yeah, but it's nice. I don't think a lot of people come here. It was definitely worth the stop. I like it. Pizza was good. People are good.
Pizza was delicious.
Yep. We'll see you on the road.
Yeah, when we leave this place.
See you in the dirt.
Yeah, just do that. Oh no. See?
Yay! What happened?
I'm dumb. I have told myself 1,000 times, put your earplugs away, but I'm like a child. I get somewhere, I take them out, and I stuff them in my pocket. Or I think. This is the second time on the trip now. I lost them. This time, I don't know what I did. I put them
In your pocket.
But how did they go from my pocket to the ground?
Because you didn't put them all the way in your pocket.
No. Maybe when I went back to get your bike.
Well, now it's my fault.
No, but I might have pulled the key out or something and dropped them.
Oh.
Just dumb. I keep telling myself, put your earplugs away, put your earplugs away. And then I don't put them away.
You know who else tells them to put them away? Who else tells you to put them away?
Sorry, my earplugs are in there.
Oh, because you found them.
Well, I found one. You found one.
Good thing they're not truck run overable.
Yeah,
or they
she
are.
definitely ran them over.
Yeah.
To get where she was.
Yeah.
I was going to keep them in my ears forever.
That's what I do. I forget that they're in there. I just leave them in. That's why I hear you so well. What's the lesson of the day?
I'm probably going to put my earplugs in my pocket and lose them again. Alrighty. Are you ready?
I am ready.
There we go. It was a wonderful little stay at Motel Princess.
Motel Tanya.
Whoa. A nice little cactus right in the middle of the road here.
I have a hair bugging me.
Fun already.
Yep. It's only in my eye though.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
It's quite the road up to this motel.
It's a little rough.
So many of these little towns around here, they're just all dirt roads everywhere.
It's better than sand at the last one.
Yeah. Well, look at the view.
The water looks pretty nice out there.
Yeah, it does.
I have to start pouring water down my pants.
You should soak your shirt more.
Yeah. Just the base layer. I might just soak the base layer and put that on.
Yeah, that would work. Just bring a whole bottle of water out with it. Get dressed outside, just fill it up with water and dump it on.
Yeah.
You could just put all your gear on and then dump it down the neck.
Yeah, I could do that. Because it'd be better to dump it down there than try and put on wet stuff. It'd be like putting on a wet scuba gear.
Yeah, and it's not like it doesn't dry in this temperature.
Yeah, and I don't have anything important in my pockets.
Yeah,
We're going left or
good.
right?
We're on straight through and then left.
Oh good, I learned how to shift.
De San Francisco de Bora something. 40 kilometers this way.
Do we have to take tires out?
Yeah, we'll go up here to flat ground area and I'll pull some air out of them. Woohoo! Wow, this is going to be interesting if this is what it's like. We'll just do it right here.
We should have done it back there on the flat ground. Oh,
You good?
yeah. Might change my gloves too. If it's like this all the way, we're gonna be professionals at sand by the end.
Just try and keep it in a rut and see how bad it gets.
Yeah.
Or how good it gets. Good doctor?
Yeah. Oh, I'm not.
Is that gonna start like that?
Yeah, probably.
If you get going, just go past me. Traction control's off?
Yeah.
Nope. I don't know why you're turning.
I'm not turning on
like,
purpose.
Well, we'll try one more, but if we're not going to make it more than 2 feet, we're not going to do this. I'll get up to my bike. Let's go around it if you can. No, I'm not doing this. Well, you were going fine, but I don't know if you slowed down or... Let's see. That's 3 times though in 100 feet. Maybe if I go behind you just to get you some momentum, but I don't know. What's... Okay, stand up. Just, there you go. Get into a road. Oh, I'm not doing this. I'm done. No. No, we're not doing it. I'll have to stop somewhere and pull the pump and stuff out because it's 300 kilometers or something to the hotel highway.
I'm scared of hitting your bike.
Well, let me get it out of the way. Whew.
Guess I'm not ready for sand. Why do you make it look so easy?
I'll turn around up here somewhere. That should work. Ooh. Oh, it's deep. No. Yeah. Try and get my bike backwards. Oh, just a big rock in front of me. Get out of there. Yeah.
Try and keep her in the rut. Look way ahead of you, not where you are. Oh God, no, I'm down. Yeah, I'm fine. Wow, we suck.
I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming, I'm coming. Where do you want me?
I don't know, just on the back somewhere. 1, 2, 3. Oh, too far, too far. No, too much for a loaded bike in our skills, so it's a highway day. What are you doing?
Parking up here.
You almost hit the ditch.
It's because I looked away. I should have just kept looking.
We'll find some shade somewhere to pull into. Yeah, I'll just find some shade.
Well, we're definitely not ready for sand with loaded bikes. I mean, I think if you just had a little bit of momentum and get going, but I struggled down 5 times in a matter of 200 feet.
Yeah, not playing around like that.
No.
I'll just have to look for better roads, because that was the whole point of coming down here, but our bikes are too heavy for it. That wasn't that bad on the trail, and we both dropped our bikes. We can't do it. We're not, the bikes are too top heavy to be in that stuff for our skill level. It took us 82 hours and we dropped the bikes 400 times.